Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge hosted by Amy of Crafty Cap. And we're doing cards 9 and 10. And I've already backed my cards. I just used some packaging paper and some scrapbook paper on these. And Oak House Journal had a great idea. I don't have the guest checks. I have carbons, receipt carbons, so I just glued all the carbons together. She had that idea because the paper's so thin and it works out great, and then I just backed it. So today's prompts for number 9 is the color black, and for number 10 is an index card. So let's see what we get with this. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. I'll have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. I love seeing what everybody makes. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here they are, and I love how they turned out. I've got black, and I had the embossed paper. You've probably seen me use it a few times, but I highlighted the embossed with this Brilliance, the Cosmic Copper. And I love, that's my new favorite. I've gotten where I like copper better than I like the gold. And I just put a little bit of cheesecloth to kind of ground the pumpkin. And I've got the matching backside. I used pumpkin I got either last year or the year before. They're little place cards. I got them at Hobby Lobby. And I just cut them in half and set my little Tim Holtz boys on top of it. And I've got my fall letter pumpkins. I'm sorry, I can't remember. I got this on Etsy. It's fall words, but I can't remember who I bought it from. And I just backed it with a little bit of the black just to help it pop from the background. And I just love how that turned out. And I'm getting ready to do a fall journal, and I'm almost done with my Wizard of Oz journal. I still need a few more tags, but it just didn't work out with this one, and so I didn't want to cover up the bird's nest. And this is some Tim Holtz decoupage paper, and this is the first time I used it, and I love it. I love how this turned out. I like how my index card, I just made a little pocket with it. You can still see the lines, but it's got that little decorative stencil there, and I just added another little bird in the middle. And since it's see-through, you can still see the numbers. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but you can still see the numbers of the, I'll call it a guest check for lack of a better word. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Please be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge to see what everybody's made. There are some very, very talented people there. So until next time, bye y'all.